So over here, you can see that I have a remote connection with the other user. And let's say what I want to do now is I want to go ahead and point them out to this. I can actually go around and then move my mouse right here. But if I want to be specific and communicate with them something, I can use the chat window right here if they are my remote user, or if not, I can go ahead and use the whiteboard around over here as well. So if I were to go around over here, this is simply the mouse, as you can see, and I can enable show drawing, and then I can grab the pencil as well. So as I were to go around and do that, now I can draw, and the other user as well will be able to see this. You can even go ahead and highlight certain things out right here just like this. And you can even go ahead and erase these out right here as you want. You can go ahead and use the square box right here to go ahead and click and drag to highlight something out as you want. Same goes with the circle as well. So you can go ahead and circle them out. So this is more for annotations, and you can go ahead and let other users actually know, that is the remote user, know what you're trying to do. You can even go around over here and type in, let's say for example, let's actually clear out the folder structure. Let's say for example, you can go ahead and type it in and they'll be able to see it on their screen. You can even go ahead and add in a speech balloon right here just like this, and add in, let's say for example, the files can be better managed here. So you can go ahead and type this in, and as you do this, they will be able to see it on their screen. You can turn this off right here, and this in turn turns off the drawings in their end as well, but this is just like hiding it, so you can simply enable it back on again when you want. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the whiteboard tools inside of TeamViewer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.